Ever pondered the secrets hiding behind the classic American hamburger? Have you wondered about the journey from raw ingredients to the perfect symphony of flavors nestled between two buns? Today, unravel the mystery and master the art of cooking the quintessential American hamburger. Begin with the heart of the hamburger, the patty. Select high-quality ground beef, preferably an 80-20 split of lean meat to fat. This ratio ensures a juicy, flavorful patty. For each burger, measure out about 6 ounces of meat. Handle it lightly to form into a patty, taking care not to compress it too much. Season liberally with salt and pepper on both sides. Next, preheat a grill or a frying pan to medium-high heat. The surface needs to be hot enough to sear the outside of the patties, locking in the juices. Place the patties on the grill or pan, cooking for about 4 minutes on each side for medium rare or longer if desired. While the patties cook, prepare the other layers of the burger. Slice a tomato and an onion into thin rings, wash some lettuce leaves and pickles. Also, remember to slice your burger buns in half. Now let's turn our attention back to the patties. In the last minute of cooking, lay a slice of cheddar cheese on each patty. The heat will melt the cheese, enveloping the patty in a creamy layer. With all ingredients ready, it's time to assemble the burger. Lightly toast the cut sides of the bun on the grill or pan. Spread a generous amount of mayonnaise on the bottom bun, followed by ketchup or mustard according to preference. Layer on the lettuce, tomato, and onion rings. Place the hot patty with melted cheese on top, then add pickles. Finish by placing the top bun, and there you have it, a classic American hamburger. In summary, crafting the perfect American hamburger involves preparing a well-seasoned beef patty, cooking it to perfection, and layering it with fresh vegetables, cheese, and condiments between toasted buns. Remember, the secret lies in the quality of the ingredients and the love you put into preparing it. This classic American hamburger recipe serves not just a meal, but a culinary experience, a taste of the American spirit. Enjoy the process, and more importantly, enjoy your homemade classic American hamburger.